Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly and easily download Predictor Aviator on your iOS or Android device. As you can see, I've already got the app installed on my phone, and it works perfectly. The process is super simple, and I'll guide you through every step. If you want Predictor Aviator on your device, make sure to watch the video all the way through so you don't miss anything important. Ready? Let's get started. Before we proceed, let's cover two essential checks, particularly for iOS users. Android users can skip ahead to the main installation method. First, navigate to your device settings. Head to General and tap on Background App Refresh. Ensure that either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi mobile data is selected. This ensures that the app can update and operate smoothly in the background. Next, return to the Settings menu and click on Battery. Ensure that the Low Power Mode option is unchecked. Keeping this option disabled is crucial, as it could potentially hinder the app's performance. These steps are vital to optimize your device for the installation process. Once you've completed these checks, we can proceed with installing the app. Let's get started. Once you have completed the initial checks, we can proceed. Open your browser and navigate to findplugin.com, a trusted site that hosts various modded applications. Search for Predictor Aviator and select it from the results. A detailed page will appear with information such as the number of downloads and community ratings. Click on the Download Now button, and the system will begin downloading the app. This process is quick, and you should soon see a confirmation message indicating a successful installation. If you are using our site for the first time, you will have to perform one more step. It is very quick, easy, and of course free. You will be taken to a verification page where you will have to install apps from the App Store or Play Store. There will be a tutorial on the site showing how to do everything exactly. Once this step is completed, installation will start immediately. In my example, the verification was successful, and the app was downloaded, and you can see it on the screen. Thanks for sticking around until the end of the video. If you found it useful and everything worked smoothly for you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more similar content. If you have any questions or run into any problems, drop a comment below, and I'll gladly assist you. Thanks again, and take care.